Hello and welcome back to my channel, and you're probably wondering why you're staring at a picture of my wonderful mug holding the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas box. Well, that's because super smart person here, when recorded the video, forgot to unmute my mic, so I didn't record any audio except for on my final check-in. So you are stuck with a voiceover for most of this video. And if you want to see how the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas performs, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what the component looks like, the little box, the little container. It's very cute. It has the Gerard Cosmetics logo on the lid. It is in gold, just like the normal standard packaging, and that is what it looks like on the inside. It is like a flesh tone, and I will be trying it on for you here. I did use the brush at first, and then I went in with the what are those things called, for crying out loud, Rena? Think, a sponge. And the sponge kind of sheared it out a little bit and kind of took it out of the crevices where it was supposed to sit. So you'll see that I do go back in and use the brush again. I am using a Unique Cream Shadow Eye Brush. That is the best thing that has ever come out of Unique, trust me. I love this brush. I'm probably going to get some more just because I do love it that much. Only thing I like from them anyway. So anyway, a little bit about the product. It is $21. It is on pre-order right now, and it is scheduled to be released February 5th. Pre-orders do not receive discounts, but you can use any link from an affiliate to go and order it if you would like. You can click my link down below, or you can wait until after it is actually launched and you can get a discount, 30% discount, by using my link. So with that being said, here I am applying it with the brush still, and I'm so very sorry guys, I really don't know what to do with voiceovers here. This is my first one and it was done unintentionally because I forgot to hit unmute my mic. I got a new mic for Christmas, and yeah, it's kind of a struggle bus right now because I'm still trying to figure it out. It took me like 5 hours to figure out why it wasn't recording in my program, and come to find out I had to mark my mic. So anyway, here I am showing you what it looks like on one eye, and the eye over there is not done. You can see that it has totally clear, made a blank canvas of my eye and covered up any of the imperfections that you can see, the wrinkles and the red lines, which, you know, are probably, you know, blood vessels. So yeah, so I'm just going to continue to put it on here, and we are going to just have a grand old time, and I'm just going to probably chat your ear off. And thank God this video is only 11 minutes and 19 seconds long. However, my check-in is not voiceless, so you will only have to endure my voiceover for a little bit. Yeah, there I am making a joke, of course. It was very bizarre editing this video as well. But anyway, I just want to let you know that I do really love this the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas. So now you're going to see a picture of me holding a Norvina palette, because the fact that most of the eye tutorial did not record due to the reason that, as you can see, MVI0571 is a corrupt file. So I'm going to show you every palette I used, and I marked every color with a sugar skull, and I will be showing you throughout the process which ones I used for the look that you will be seeing for the parts that I am able to put up for you. Okay, so instead of talking over this whole video, I'm going to talk in certain spots, and the rest of the spots I'm going to fill up with music. So enjoy the music that I'm playing now. Bye! So as you can see here, I am looking a little bit crazy with powder all over my face. I didn't powder prior to, and I should have because I was doing a foundation test as well, and I was getting some fallout, so I ended up powdering my face as well. I just wanted to let you know because of some fallout of some of the colors, and I didn't want to ruin my makeup. Now back to the fast tutorial. Okay, so here I am with my crazy look, letting you know that I am going to go and finish my other eye and put on some lashes, and I shall return. And here is the finished look with, I took photos from my phone and uploaded them just so you could see them up close, because for some reason it didn't record my final look either. So here it is up close with a ring light, and here it is up close with natural light. And now for my final check-in, so you won't have to deal with this voiceover anymore. Hello everyone, I am back, and I am going to give you my update on the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Concealer and Base. It's wonderful. It has really, now don't mind the little line right there. I had false lashes on. I took them off. Remember if you from before, but I am loving it. I am not seeing any creasing, and as you can tell, I have hooded eyes. So I'm gonna zoom you in really quick so you can see. So here you are. You can tell just by looking at me straight on. I have hooded eyes. So I'm gonna close my eyes for you. See, there is no creasing, there's no color transfer, it is not faded, it has not fallen off of my face, and I'm blown away. I'm loving the product. I don't have anything else to say. I mean, it is amazing. It's $21. Let me zoom you out real quick. So it's amazing. It's only $21. It comes in a little container like this. I would use a flat brush. Now the flat brush I use, I don't have in front of me right now. So any flat brush that you use concealer with, this works wonders with, and as you saw, it covers, and you can't even really see my wrinkles that much, with the exception of the, my eye got wet right there and my eyeliner ran. So yeah, so with that being said, I love it. It's amazing. Jen, you knocked it out of the park with this one. I am in love, and I believe I just got converted from my old faithful Anastasia to Gerard Cosmetics. So if you want to purchase this, like I said, it's $21. It gets released February 5th according to the site. It might be a little bit earlier, maybe a little later. It says on or around the 5th. So I will leave my link down below. It is an affiliate link, but you will receive 30% off at checkout. So I do earn a little commission from it. This is not a sponsored video. I am not being paid. I bought this with my own money. I did not get it in PR. And yeah, I mean, it's amazing. I can't say anything else about it. So anyway, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It would mean the absolute world to me. And hit that notification bell down below so you know when I upload new videos. And like I said before, I'm trying to get into the groove to do new videos, and this is a new year. And I don't know if this is going to be my first video year or the other two that I filmed today will be the first video of the year, but we shall see. And anyway, if you like this eye look, let me know in the comments down below if you want to see me do more eye looks, or if you want me to do more tutorials or more reviews. What do you want me to review? Just let me know. So anyway, I hope you have a very fantastic, wonderful, beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!